أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم الحمد لله رب العالمين والصلاة والسلام على رسول الله رب اشرح لي صدري ويسر لي أمري واحلل عقدة من لساني يفقهوا قولي رب يسر ولا تعسر وتمم بالخير. Assalamu alaikum everyone. Well, let's begin.
Walaikum assalam.
Let's do these lines of Sadia and Adnan. Okay, you go first, Sadia. We, I think, have about 16 lines of yours and you have to make 4 more. Okay, so let's go through them. So let's begin. How do you translate these lines in Arabic? Yes, Sadia, you can start.
Yes, Akhoya. My name is Sadia. Will be
How do you say my name? How do you say what is your name?
Ismi Sadia.
Okay, and how do you say what is your name? What is your name will be Ma Ismuka or Ma Ismuki.
My Ismu Kamal.
So Ism is name. So Ismuka is your name. Ismi is my name. Okay, how do you say I study in 9th grade?
Adrusu Fustafat Tasi.
Very good. Next.
I like to play basketball. Is Uhibbu an Alaba Hurata Salati.
Okay.
My mother's name is Fazila. Ismu Ummi Fazila. She is a businesswoman. Hiya Tajiratum. She handles everything in the best manner. هي تتعامل مع كل شيء بأفضل الطريقة.
Very good. So it will be Ma'a Kulli Shayin.
مع كل شيء.
Afdalu Tariqatin. Very good.
My brother's name is Adnan. اسمه أخي Adnanu. He studies in 6th grade. يدرس في الصف السادس. He likes to play games. يحب أن يلعب الألعاب. I enjoy playing cricket with him. أستمتع أن ألعب
Low Battle Cricket.
لعبة الكريكت معه.
Very good. Okay, is Adnan back? Okay, I see you, Adnan. Can you hear me?
Yes,
let us do your 10 sentences, Adnan.
Yeah. First one is Marhaban ismi Adnanu.
Okay.
Then I want to play video games.
I live in Bangalore.
So I live in Bangalore. Askunu fi Bangalore. I like to play video games. Uhibbu an al-aba al-video.
Very good.
I like to go swimming. Uhibbu an al-aba lis-sibahati.
An Adhaba.
Azhaba. Okay, lis-sibahati. My favorite sport is cricket. Riyadati al-mafadalatu lu'abat al-cricket.
Mufaddalatu.
Mufaddalatu.
Okay.
Okay. And then I don't like Mondays, I guess. Is it? Yeah. La uhibbu al-yawma, then
Al-yawm al-ithnain.
al-yawma al-ithnain.
Okay.
Yeah. I was born on October 13th, 2009. Wulidatul Yawma Salasa Ashara min October ama al-Faini Watisa.
Oh, very good.
My father's name is Azhar. Ismu Abi Azhar. Father runs a shoe shop. Abi Yudiru Dukana Akhziyati. Then which sentence is it?
Okay, now let's go to your next lines and let me remove the Arabic. So just give me 1 minute. Okay, let's start with you, Sadia. Can you do these sentences?
Yes, I will.
We used to live in Uti.
We used to live in Ooty. Will be Kunna Naishu Fi Ooty.
Oh, very good.
I love the weather there. Ahbabtu Al Jawa Hunaka.
Very good.
Ooty is a hill station. Ooty hiya Talatu.
Okay. Allatun.
Talatu.
Okay.
I didn't do the last one.
Okay. How do you say I studied?
I studied.
How do we say he studied?
Darsa.
Darasa is he studied.
Adarsu.
No. Adrusu would be I studied. It will be present tense. So past tense,
Darastu.
darastu. It will have two. Okay. So think about the dua for opening roza. It is Allahumma lakasam tu. It will have a two ending. Okay. Lakasam tu would be I fasted. So lakasam tu is I fasted. Darastu will be I studied. How do you say in?
Fi.
Fi, very good. Fi in the St. Hilda school. Okay, so how do you say the school? So first, I studied in the school. Its name is St. Hilda's. How do you say I studied in the school? How do you say school? What do you say for school? For school, you say madrasa.
Madrasa.
Now, how will you say in the school?
Fi madrasa.
Fil madrasati.
Fil madrasati.
Madrasati. Its name is St. Hilda's. So how will you say its name? How do you ask what is your name? How do you say what is your name? Ma?
Ma ismuk.
Ma ismuki. Okay. Its name would be ismuha. Ismuki would be your name. Ismuha would be its name. Now madrasa, would it be masculine or feminine?
Ma ismuki is female.
And madrasa is masculine or feminine?
Masculine.
No, it has ta marbuta. So Sadia has ta marbuta. Taliba has ta marbuta. Mudarrisa has ta marbuta. If you have ta marbuta, it is most often than not is feminine. Okay, so madrasa is feminine, so you say its name or her name. You say ismuha St. Hilda's. So how do you say this, Sadia? I studied in St. Hilda's school.
Darastu fil madrasati. Darastu fil madrasati ismuha San Hildas.
Very good. Darastu fil madrasati ismuha St. Hilda's. We used to wear warm clothes there. So he wore or we used to wear. Okay, so how did you say we used to live in OT?
Kana naishu.
Kunna naishu.
Kunna naishu.
Okay, so how do you say we used to?
Kunna naishu.
Kunna naishu would be we used to live. So we used to only would be kunna.
Kunna.
Okay, where he where is yalbasu. Now how will you say we were?
Nalbasu.
Very good. So nalbatu. How did you say we used to live?
Kunna naishu.
Kunna naishu is we used to live. We used to wear would be kunna nalabu. Nalbatu. So kunna naishu, kunna nalbatu. So it has na for we. In past tense it comes at the end. In present tense you have the na coming at the starting. So kunna nalbatu is we used to wear. Kunna naishu is we used to live. Now how do you say clothes?
Clothes will be malabisu.
Very good. So how will you say we used to wear clothes?
Kunna
Kunna nalbathu.
kunna nalbasu albisu.
How do you say clothes?
Malabisu.
Right. So how will you say it here? Will it be mala bithu, mala bitha, mala bithi?
Malab malabisatu.
It is only mala bith. So will it be u, a, or e?
Malabisu.
So who is the doer here? We used to wear.
Malabisa.
Why mala bitha? Who's the
Malabisa.
doer? Right, but who's the doer here, Sadia? We used to wear warm clothes.
We.
We is the doer. Now, what are we wearing? Or what did we wear?
Warm clothes.
Warm clothes. Okay, so it's a detail. So it will be mala bitha. This is malabisa. Kunna nalbathu al malabitha at thaqilata. Thaqilata is heavy or thick. And why is it at thaqilata? Because it has to match malabis. So al malabis has al. So at thaqilata will also have al. This ends with a. So this will also end with a. And al-malabis is masculine or feminine?
Masculine.
Why?
It doesn't have a ta marbuta.
Yeah, but it is clothes.
Oh, then feminine.
Feminine. So if you see the adjective has a ta marbuta. The adjective is matching this. Okay, so if this doesn't have ta marbuta, this has a ta marbuta, and that should give you a clue. So this is non-human plural, it will be feminine. That's why we say as taqilata. We used to wear heavy, or we used to wear thick clothes. How do you say there? How do you say there?
Nalbatu.
Again?
Nalbatu.
No. There is hunaka. Kunna nalbathu al malabisa ataqilata hunaka. We used to wear warm clothes there. Okay. I had many friends there. How do you say I had or I used to have?
Ladaya.
Ladaya is I have.
Kana.
Okay, now will it be kana ladaya or will it be kuntu ladaya? Okay, we'll try this. Kana ladaya. How do you say many friends? How do you say friends?
Sayara.
Sayara is car.
Oh.
Sadiq is one friend. How do you say friends?
Sadiqata.
No, Sadiqatun is one female friend. Plural of Sadiqun is Asdiqaun.
Astika.
I think this would be kuntu. Let us check. Because it is I think it would be kuntu. Ladaya asdiqaun. How do you say many?
Many will be.
Many is kathirun.
Yes.
How do you say there?
Hunaka.
Hunaka. Okay, let us check Google. I had many friends there. Okay, it is kana ladaya. The difference is ladaya is a noun. Okay, where we have a verb like kunna nalbatu, we used to wear, we would use kunna, but where it is only a noun like ladaya is with me, literally. So it was with me. This is a noun, so we use the normal kana. Okay, so how do you say Sadia? I had many friends there.
Kana ladaya asdiqaun kasirun hunaka.
Hunaka. Okay, you need to do 4 more sentences. So think of 4 more sentences, and we'll do your 4 sentences after Adnan.
Yes,
Okay,
sir.
and the plan is now we are doing Arabic 101. Okay, so this is like basic Arabic. Now we'll be finishing Arabic 101 when you are able to memorize these lines and say them. Okay, and the plan is that you will finish it sometime in November. Okay, so hopefully next week or the week after you will finish. Okay, and with that you will finish Arabic 101. So we'll go a little into detail next after that. Okay, so the plan is that after you are done with the basics and you can see these basic sentences, we will finish with the Arabic 101 and we'll go into some few specialized subjects in Arabic 102. That is the plan. Okay, so for that, you need to be able to see these basic sentences. That clear, Sadia?
Yes, Ahmed.
So in the next 2 weeks, okay, so in the next 2 weeks, the plan is you'll be practicing these sentences and you'll be saying them. So hopefully 13, 14, you'll be able to say them without saying.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So Sadia, you have 4 more sentences to make, and Adnan has the sentences. Now he just has to practice and memorize. Okay, yes, Adnan. So how do you say I go to the shoe shop twice a week?
Go to the shoe shop twice a week would be أذهب إلى الدكان
Ila dukani.
then I'm not sure.
How do you say shoe shop? You said shoe shop earlier.
Dukani
I think you need to go on mute, Sadia. There's echo. Yes, Sadia.
مرتين maybe I think so now.
Marathon is twice. How do you say shoe shop? Al-Ahdiyati. So, ila dukani would be to the shop. Al-Ahdiyati would be shoe shop. So, adhabu ila dukani al-Ahdiyati marataini
أسبوعيا.
fil usbu'i. In a week. Okay. That is echo. I do not think I have
My
echo.
father's shop is near the house. My father's shop is near the house. Is Dukana Abi
Kanu abi.
Kanu Abi Haribun Hariban Haribun Minal Baiti or Minal
Min al-bayti. Very good.
opposite my father's shop is my mom's shop is
How do you say opposite?
was it I'm not sure.
So, opposite is muqabilu.
Okay.
Muqabilu is same or opposite.
Muqabilu Dukani Abi Huwa
Dukanu Abi.
Dukanu Ummi.
Muqabilu dukanu abi. Or
Huwa
I think it should be muqabilu dukani abi. Dukani abi.
Muqabilu Dukani Abi Huwa Dukanu Ummi.
Very good.
My mother runs a shoe shop.
Gift shop.
Gift shop is my so what is my mother?
Ummi.
Ummi
Runs would be tudiru.
yeah. So Ummi Tudiru gift.
You have to say shop and then say gift. How will you say shop?
Dukanu gift is what's there. Gift.
Should be, I think, hadiya. Ummi tudiru dukanal hadaya. Ummi tudiru dukanal hadaya.
Ummi Tudiru Dukana Ahdaya.
I think this should be. No, this has al. This does not have an al. We might need to make a correction. Me tudiru hadaya. Okay, so this should not have al. Okay. Ummi tudiru dukanan hadaya.
Kanan hadaya. Ummi, okay. Ummi tudiru dukanan hadaya.
Okay.
She is very hardworking. Hiya mujtahidatun jiddan.
Okay.
She loves me a lot. Hiya tuhibbuni kasiran.
Very good. Ya tuhibbuni kathiran. Good at that. Okay, you have 3 more sentences. Let's do them. And Satya, get ready with your 4 sentences. Yes, Adan.
Hiya tusaiduni li tahziri lil imtihanati.
Imtihanati. Okay. What is
I love-
tusaiduni?
Hiya tusaiduni
What is tusaiduni? Tusaidu is she helps.
preparation. Oh,
Tusaidu is she helps. What is ni?
me.
Ni is me.
Me. Okay.
So here tusaiduni, she helps me. Tusaidu is she helps. Okay. How do you say I love her a lot?
Uhibbuha kasiran.
Okay.
She takes care of me very well. Hiya tahtini bi jayyidan jiddan.
Here ta'tini bi jayidan jiddan. Very good. Now Sadia, 4 more sentences. So you're on Ooty and French. That's where you were on with your previous sentence.
We shifted to Bangalore.
1 minute. Let me just change the font. Now you need to have some link with the previous sentence. So you need to say, then we shifted to Bangalore, or later we shifted to Bangalore. So you need to link it with this sentence. Otherwise you have a disconnect. So what is your sentence?
I stayed in Ooty for 10 years.
I stayed or we stayed?
We stayed in Ooty for 10 years.
Okay. Next sentence.
Then we shifted to Bangalore.
Okay.
I study in CMR NPS.
Now in CMR,
Yes, sir.
NPS.
National Public School, but school. Yeah.
Okay. Last sentence.
Uh,
One more sentence, Sadhya.
It's very close to my house.
Okay. We stayed in Ooty for 10 years. So how do we say this? How do we say we stayed?
Um,
How do you say I live in Bangalore?
We used to live in Ooty. It's Kunna Naisham.
Very good.
We used to live.
Kunna Naishu is we used to live. So how do we say we lived? So he lived as Asha. And we lived, I think, would be Ishna. So, okay, so I think we say it would be Ishna. How do you say in Ooty?
Fi Ooty.
Ooty. For 10 years. I think for 10 years would be Li Muddati. How do you say 10 years? How do you say 10? Ten is Ashra. So this
Ashra.
would be Ashari. And years would be Sanavat. We will check. Okay, so they use we state Baqina and Ishna should also be okay. So we'll just verify that. Fi Uti Limuddati Ashari Sanawat. Okay, so this is good. So let us just check if Ishna is okay. What I'm using is tasrif.reverso. And what this does is if you put one word, for example, you put Asha, it will tell you what the other forms will look like. Let me share again. So Asha, when I change it to the first person, second person, it will not be Ashna. Okay, so it has an alif which is going to change to make it easier to say. So what we see here is how does Asha change as we say Asha is he lived. We want to say how does Asha change when we say you lived, I lived, we lived. Okay, so Asha. So this is past tense. So you state would be Ishta, and this is Anta form. So Anta would be Ishta, Hua would be Asha. So Hua Asha is what we put. So Huma Asha Antum, Ishtum, Hum Ashu, and I want I form. So I is, let me see where is the I form. Okay, it's here. So Ana Ishtu. And Nahnu would be we. So Nahnu is Ishna. So this looks good. We wrote Ishna. So Ishna fi Uti bimuddati ashari sanawati. How do we say this, Sadhya? We stayed in Uti for 10 years.
Ishna Fi Ooty Limuddati Ashari Sanwatan.
Sanawati. Very good. Then we shifted to Bangalore. So we shifted or we moved. So he shifted, I think, would be in Taqala. Intaqala, I think, is he shifted. Now, how will we say we shifted? How did we say we stayed? How do we say we stayed, Sadia?
We shifted.
How do we say we stayed? Now, intaqala is he shifted. Now we want to make we. So we made past tense we in this sentence. How did we say we stayed?
We stayed was Ishna.
Ishna. So to say we, what should be the ending?
Na.
Na. Now how will you put na ending here? And intaqala.
Intakhaluna.
No. Intaqalna.
Intakhalna.
Then I think is Idan. Then intaqalna to Bangalore. How do we say to Bangalore? How do you say to Bangalore? How do we say I go to school?
Ilal.
Ila. So ila is to. So I go to school would be Adhabu ilal madrasati. So ila is to. So here it would be ila.
La Bangalore.
Ila Bangalore. Then we shifted to Bangalore. Idan. Intaqalna ila Bangalore. Let us check what Google has to say. So they use thumma intaqalna ila Bangalore. So they just say Bangalore. They say thumma, we also use thumma. Thumma intaqalna ila Bangalore. How do we say we shifted, Satya?
We shifted is Intakhalna.
Intaqalna. Very good. Okay, two sentences to go. How do you say I study now in CMR school? How do you say I study?
Addarsu ke sir.
Adrusu.
That's
Adrusu. So darasa. Yadrusu. Yadrusu is he studies. I study would be Adrusu. How do you say now? I study now. Now is al ana.
Allah.
How do you say now, Satya?
Alana.
Alana. How do you say today? What
Al-Yawm.
day? Al yawma.
Al-Yawm.
Al yawma is today. I study now is al ana. I study now in CMR school. How will you say in CMR school?
Fi CMR.
Well, madrasati CMR. Okay, it doesn't want me to put it there. Okay. Adrasu Alana fil madrasati CMR. It is very close to my house. In Arabic, you use from. It is very close from my house. How do you say this? Easy sentence, Adya. Now in Arabic, there is no she. It should either be he or she. There's no it. Okay, so it has to be he or she. Now it is referring to school. School is masculine or feminine?
Feminine.
Feminine. So you have to say she is very close to my house. How do you say she?
Here.
Here.
Here. Now, how do you say very close?
Qaribatan.
Qaribatun.
Qaribatan.
Because there's no verb here. So here, qaribatun. How do you say very?
Jiddan.
Very good. Yeah, qaribatun. Jiddan.
Ila baitan.
No, you have to say from. In Arabic, you use from. It is very close from my house. How do you say from?
Min sir.
Min. What is min, Sadia?
Two.
No, two is ila. Min is
Ila.
from. Min is from. How do you say my house?
Huh?
Baitan.
Baitun is a house.
Baitin.
Baitun is also a house. Baiti. In Baiti, the ya would be mine. So from my house. Ya qaribatun jiddan min baiti. Okay, now again, quickly, Sadia, your sentences. How do you say we used to live in Uti?
Kunna naishu fi Uti.
Very good. Next.
I love the weather there. Ahbabtu al-jawwa hunaka.
Very good.
Uti is a hill station. Uti hiya talatun. I studied in St. Hilda School. Darastu fi madrasatin ismuha Sanat Hildas. St. Hildas.
Okay.
We used to wear warm clothes there. Kunna nalbasu al-malabisa al-dafiya hunaka. I had many friends there. Kunta ladayya asdiqaan kasiran hunaka. We stayed in Ooty for 10 years. Ishna fi Ooty limuddati ashari sanwatin. Then we shifted to Bangalore. Summa imtaqalna ila Bangalore.
Okay.
I study now in CMR school. Adrusu al-ana fil madrasati CMR.
Okay.
It's very close to my house. Hiya qaribatun jiddan min baiti.
Very good. Now, warm clothes. Nalbasu al-mala bisad dafiya. Let me make it a thaqilata. So we used to wear thick clothes or heavy clothes. A thaqilata. Okay. Awesome. These are your sentences, guys. So 2 weeks. Try to practice. And next week, if we have a class, we'll do 1 round of practice. And the week after, inshallah, we need you to be thorough. Okay, so practice this a few times, and these are basic, easy sentences. We have a lot of repetition. So with few practices, inshallah, you should be able to master these sentences. And should you say Satya and Adnan with saying or without saying?
With C.
Without saying. Okay, so with practice, very soon, you should be able to say these sentences without saying. Okay, as a few times you repeat and you try to say these sentences without saying, you'll be able to learn them very soon, inshallah. Okay, so practice now with saying, but very soon, also start practicing in the next few days. Once you have practiced with saying, Start practicing without saying. Try to remember the sentences and the vocabulary. Okay, let us translate 2-3 more sentences and then we will close. How do you say I used to play basketball? How do you say I used to play basketball? How do we say this, Adnan? How do you say I used to play basketball? How do we say this, Sadia? I used to play. How do we say I play?
Askunu.
Askunu is I stay. Askunu fil baiti is I stay in an independent house. What is Askunu? How do you say I play? You have the sentence. How do you say I play basketball or I like to play basketball?
Alabu.
Al Abu. How did you say this, Sadia? I like to play basketball. How did you say this? You're on mute, Sadia.
Uhibbu an alaba.
An alaba. So an alaba is to play. Okay. Now here is I used to play. So now this is something that happened in the past. So if I want to say to play or I play, how do you say I play?
Alaba.
Alaba. So you want to say I played basketball in the past. So in the past, I was playing basketball. Now how would you say I used to? I used to would be kuntu. We used to would be kunna. I used to would be kuntu. And how do you say basketball?
Kurata salatu.
Kurata salati. Very good. Okay, very good. Now, how do you say I lived in a different house? Or make it I used to live. Or you say I used to live in a different house. Now, how do you say I used to live? To make it even easier. How do you say I live? How do we say this, Sadia?
Kunta.
It can be kuntu because it is I.
Kuntu askunu.
Very good. Kuntu. Now this would be I used to stay. Kuntu askunu. We have to say in a house, different. Okay, so different will come later.
Fil baiti. Fil.
Fi baitin.
Fil baiti.
Fi baitin mukhtalifatin. Mukhtalifatin is different. Mukhtalifin. Mukhtalifatin would be feminine. Okay, last question. Okay, if you give this answer,
साहिब फी बैती नहीं के साहिब
See, in a different house. So a house would be baitin.
फी के बाद साहिब
It's in. So after fi, kasra hai now.
Oh.
In baitin.
ओके साहिब जिसका लफ है
Okay. Okay, last question. Okay, so if you give the answer, we close immediately after the answer. So the last question is, let me think. Okay, so we studied Arabic in school. How do you say this? Quickly, guys. 2 minutes to go. How do we say we studied Arabic in school? How do we say we studied?
दरसना ना
Okay, Nahid aunty said darasna. What is your answer, Sadia?
Darasna.
Darasna. Darasna. Arabic. Arabic is al Arabiyata. Well, al Arabiyata, al Arabiyatu, al Arabiyati.
Arabiyata.
Why al Arabiyata? So, what is the doer in we studied Arabic?
Studied.
No, we is the doer. So, who studied? We studied. Now, what did we study? This is the detail. It tells what we studied. So, it is the detail, which is why it becomes al Arabiyata. It has a in it. Darasna al Arabiyata in school. How do you say in school?
Fi madrasati.
Fil madrasati.
Fil madrasati.
Very good, brilliant. Awesome. So with this we will close. Sadia, Adnan, you don't have any exams now, right? You're just done with your exams.
Yes, Ahmed.
Okay, brilliant.
Tomorrow is school.
Tomorrow you have exam?
No, tomorrow is school.
School. Okay, so school starting tomorrow. So you'll have free time because this is just the starting after your exams. Practice these lines. Okay, so if you practice these lines, most of the Arabic that you've learned till now is covered. So you just have to learn these lines and be able to say them. Okay, and with that, you will get a lot of fluency. Okay, so practice these lines. I'll send you these notes, inshallah.
Okay.
Okay, we'll close with that. Subhanallahumma wa bihamdik ashhadu an la ilaha illa wa astaghfiruka wa atubu ilayk. Ma salama. See you all next week. If there is any change in the class timings or if you have to cancel next week's class, I'll let you know. Okay, so for now, prepare for the class next week, and Sadia, Adnan, prepare these sentences. Ma salama.
जज़ाकल्लाह खैर मा सलाम साहिब
Yakum, ma salama.